Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I am good. And you?
I am fine. Thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Oliver. What's your name?
My name is Lisa.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Lisa, where are you from?
I am from England. What about you?
I am from Canada.
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto. And you?
I live in London.
How old are you?
I am 18 years old. And you?
I am 20 years old. What do you do?
I am a student. What about you?
I work at a small cafe.
Do you have any siblings?
No. I am only child. What about you?
I have 2 sisters.
Great. Do you like to travel?
Yes. I love traveling.
What's your favorite food?
I am a big fan of pizza. What's yours?
I really like fried chicken.
Do you have any pets?
Yes. I do. I have a pet rabbit. Do you?
No. I don't have any pets.
What do you do for fun?
I like reading English stories and listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
Pop music is my favorite.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can. I speak Turkish and English. What about you?
I can speak French and some Spanish.
Which season do you like the most?
I like winter. What about you?
I enjoy spring.
Do you like sports?
No. I am not interested in sports.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Dark Knight.
Do you like to cook?
Yes. I like to cook Chinese food.
What job would you like to have?
I would like to become a lawyer. And you?
I want to be a pilot.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is sage green.
Do you like reading newspapers?
No, I don't usually read newspapers, but I sometimes check the news online.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have traveled to the UK. Have you?
Yes. I have traveled to Japan.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I usually stay at home and watch movies.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes. I really like shopping, especially for clothes.
Do you enjoy mornings or late nights?
I am a morning person. I like waking up early.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas because I get to spend time with my family.
Do you like to dance?
Yes. Dancing is one of my favorite hobbies.
Which fruit do you like the most?
I like apples. The most. What about you?
My favorite fruit is mango. What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is coffee.
Do you like to read before bed?
Yes. It helps me relax. I read every night.
Do you like trying new foods?
Yes. I love trying new dishes.
It was really nice talking to you, Lisa.
Yes. It was great chatting with you too, Oliver.
I hope we can talk again soon.
Absolutely. I would like that.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Take care.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.